This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
A never give up attitude has led Pinterest what it is today. Ben Silbermann is the founder of Pinterest, and starting working for Google, frustrated by making spreadsheets all day long, and had lots and lots of failures. Even built an app which literally got flopped, rejected by multiple investors, and struggled to get founders, co-founders, found Paul as a co-founder, and then finally launched Pinterest in March 2010. He has a consistency and a never give up attitude, and which now Pinterest is the 35th most popular website in the world. It has grew into from very 7,000 users, a very small base of users, to 25 million users in 2013. So have a look at this. Obviously, the whole story for Pinterest, and I will be talking about a very interesting growth hack in the next coming video, how it evolved and what was the growth hack they have used, and they have scale up the business in no time. Okay, Pinterest coming up, growth hack, next video. Bye for now.